Okay, it's raining, but I've still got to talk about this one. This one is worth a little yarn. This thing was built on a budget, and this is what makes this 1982, 8th month 82, was a HJ47, so cool. Robert's on the pension, and he built this at home with the help of mates. He called some favours in, paint, engine conversion, everything himself. So 1982, 8th month, it's already got the disc brakes, but now the old 2H has done its job on this earth. Now it's got the LS1, and behind the LS1 it's got the auto, which is the 4L60E, and so it comes with that engine, but he's put the adapters on there. Robert's done all the mounting himself. He's made the front mounts, he's made the gearbox mounts, done it all at home, all himself. There's some stuff inside to show you that he's done himself. 60 series power steer with the 70 series arms. He's done it all right. It's all been mod plated, and this thing's come up a treat. I've already gone for one drive. I can't wait to go for my next drive. Still on the outside, he's torn it down, he's painted it himself, but being on a budget, the bonnet, the windscreen surround, the back windscreen surround all come from the dump. People were throwing this shit out. And not only that, the guards, he put it out there just outside of Cooktown. It was built, and he's putting it out there that he needed this and needed that, and mates have said, I know where a set is and things like this. So when we're talking budget, this one ticks all the boxes. All fiberglass apart from the steel tub. Everything else on this car is glass, absolutely everything. So again, this was in the dump. He's built it from mates and what he could find. He's also done some custom work inside, so let's go and check it out. Now, talk about custom, I'll start at the top. This console, it is such a clean job. Built it himself. Door cards, he built them himself. Just all, he purchased materials and built it himself. The parcel shelf where he keeps his stuff, all built himself. So he's just a hands-on guy. It wasn't just making engine mounts, this whole vehicle and all its trims. You can see she's an auto. I haven't driven too many auto 40 series. It's pretty fun to go for a drive. And the steering wheel's a Toyota steering wheel. Didn't like the one was in there, so he's adapted the Camry steering wheel. We've got 60 series seats, and there's just a whole heap of mods. He has put a sound deadener underneath everything to keep it nice and cool, keep the heat of the LS out of here, and aftermarket turbo. Just found things he's needed to get the job done. Otherwise, that's it. This is what you're looking at. He's everything else was already in here, so he's adapted what he's had to, and he's done a damn fine job. What I didn't mention is that this isn't only a daily driver, it's a tow rig. So daily, it carries a car trailer and goes out and picks other cars up. So it's a work vessel, and he loves it, he uses it. But right now, I'm going to give it a little squirt and have some fun in it. It's actually raining, so I better be careful.